What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Sorry, I got cat hair all over me, and it's a little bit of a problem because I just gave Daisy a bath, and we're gonna have to deal with it. But what I want to talk to you about in this video is about crypto overall. I want to look at crypto, but I also want to focus on the fact that um, Gary Gensler, right? Gary Gensler needs to go. Gary Gensler cannot stay around. His mindset is honestly toxic, and we're going to talk about an article and what he stated and kind of what that means and all that. But we'll also get into where crypto is today if you guys needed an update. So if you could, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links down below for Margex, for Twitter, for Patreon, and even for Trade Assist if you guys are interested in utilizing that platform. Margex is a great platform where you can leverage trade up to 100x leverage all the way down to 5x leverage. So feel free to check that out. We got cat hair that's just flying around here, so I apologize for that. But again, just gave Daisy a bath. So anyways, check out those links down below, and hopefully you can get use out of them. But why am I bringing this up? Well, there's an article that I saw here today that talks about the chair, right? The SEC chair, Gary Gensler, and what he said about crypto, right? And he said it's unlikely this stuff is going to be a currency. He's been one of those people that has been against cryptocurrency for the longest time. However, starting out as more of a positive figure when it comes to cryptocurrency, and people are a person that's believing in blockchain. From what I understand, teaching a class on blockchain, right? This is what I don't understand, how you can go completely so far, left field that, you decide, what, it would be wise if we didn't move forward with this. Now, I understand where some people are coming from. When they say, oh, I don't trust cryptocurrency, I don't believe in cryptocurrency, all of those things there, it's coming from a place to where they don't fully understand it. And also, you don't know what people are going to be able to do with all of it, and you also don't know which cryptocurrency to make as your main currency, because typically, right, you have a currency that you have a dollar, or you have coins that are sitting here, right? And that is the currency. The US dollar is the currency, and you have multiple other countries that have different currencies, but they all translate or talk to one another, basically, where I can say, I want to convert my US dollar to pesos or whatever, right? And you can do that. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency, we don't have a set go-to, right? A lot of people know what Bitcoin is, but Bitcoin is not a great transaction currency. It takes forever to go through. It's also inefficient, as well as understanding the energy usage that comes out of mining Bitcoin. When it comes to XRP, that's something that's a lot faster. However, the SEC continues to attack it. And they don't only just attack it, right? Because they don't understand it, and they don't believe that, or they believe that XRP is a security. It's been stated and heavily noted and reported that XRP is not a security. So if that's the case, you can move forward with that and understand that. But they still continue to fight Ripple, to fight XRP, to fight cryptocurrency in general. And to say, again, quote, it's unlikely this stuff is going to be a currency. To say that makes absolutely no sense to me, right? Gary Gensler has to go, right? His mindset is toxic towards innovation, right? You have other countries that are beating us to the finish line, and they're going to beat us to the finish line because they believe in cryptocurrency. They believe in blockchain. Are they adopting absolutely everything? No, but they are exploring, checking things out. They're monitoring. They're trying to understand a little bit more every single day. But the SEC is not trying to understand. They're just trying to get their money's worth. They're trying to sue and get fines and stop people from making money, everyday people from making money, because that's who's invested in the cryptocurrencies. Institutions are left behind. And if you're involved in anything to where institutions are left behind, they're not making the money, and the retail traders and retail investors and just everyday people are making money, which is something they do not want to have. If we have so much money that we can now maybe stop working or stop working that 9 to 5 job and focus on ourselves, focus on our own business, then it may not be profitable for them, for the government, and for other institutions. So it's a problem. But Gary Gensler is the biggest problem there is, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. I'm a fan of cryptocurrency because I understand how many different use cases work and how we can utilize this in society today. And I think they understand it as well. They didn't understand it at first, but I think they understand it as well, and they're afraid of it. And Gary Gensler is leading the scared charge. So that's where we stand when it comes to Gary Gensler. He has to go. But if we look at the overall cryptocurrency market, let me go into CoinMarketCap. I thought I was already in there. But if we look at the cryptocurrency market and where it stands right now, we are seeing a little bit of an increase over the last 24 hours. It's up by 2.19%. It's at a $2.16 trillion market cap, while also seeing Bitcoin's dominance slightly decrease. It's at 56.59. We are seeing Bitcoin back up to about 62,000, as well as Ethereum at the 2,400 level. We can see things like XRP that's up by 0.69%, Dogecoin up by 4%, 4% for Ton, 4% for Cardano, 3%, almost 4% for Avalanche, 6% for Shiba Inu. Many other things are up, and they're seeing some positivity, right? 14% for SUI, and so on and so forth. Altcoin season is upon us, right? We're big fans of how cryptocurrency is going to be used. Do we 100% know how it's going to be used, how it's going to be implemented? We have a thought, right? But it's not necessarily saying that's the end all be all and that's how things will work, right? Bitcoin is a store of value. You understand that, Ethereum can be that transaction-based currency, can take over as the world currency, but will it, right? Continuing to fight Ripple, it's not really a good look. The fact that the government is being paid, or was going to be paid, $125 million from Ripple, which is more than what Ripple said that they should pay, which was 10 to 20 million. And it is less than the 700 million that they wanted from the beginning, but then they also raised it to 2 billion for some reason. And they just want to collect the 2 billion, or they want to collect a little bit more, or they want to suppress XRP, right? Something that can truly take over as the currency, the digital currency for the world, not just the US, but for the world. It's a very interesting situation that we're going over right now, but I feel like Gary Gensler has to go. No matter who's in office, he has to go. And anybody who's involved in these decision-making processes right now needs to go as well. We need an overhaul of people that understand cryptocurrency and how they can implement it, and also how they can manage it. Because just going, oh, well, you know what, we don't understand this, or we can't do anything about it, so let's just push it off to the side, rather than say, these are the steps we take in order to manage this a lot better. Why not that? Why not these are the steps we take in order to do things the right way, instead of the sale to institutions that's violating securities laws? These are the steps that you put in place in order to not do that, or in order to find that from the gate. Why are we not doing that? Why are we just going automatically to, we need to get XRP out of here, we need to get Ripple out of here, we need to stop with cryptocurrency altogether? Makes no sense to me. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Let me know what you think about Gary Gensler down below, what you think about his personality, and what you think about how he feels about cryptocurrency. Also, if you want to check out my link for Margex, feel free to do so. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.